Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this very interesting video today, I want to share with you guys how I was able to make 540,000 naira off the market from trading Gbpusd. But before up on that guys, I will be reintroducing myself for the sake of my new friend that just joined my YouTube channel. My name is Investor X, the founder of Crypto FX Space Academy, the new fast rising academy in Nigeria at the moment, and it's going to be in Africa and the world at large. Of course, you know that I'm sharing my crypto, my first journey here with you guys on YouTube. So please kindly do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button and put notifications on so you'll be among those first guys that will get this upload when they are being made here on YouTube. And also don't forget to like and share this video to your family and friends. Now let's get to the chat and let's see how I was able to make 540,000 naira off Gbpusd.
Keep showing up. If no one invests in you, invest in yourself. If no one believes in you, believe in yourself. Even if you don't see the results right away, keep showing up until you do see the results. Even if you don't see the results for a very, very long time, keep showing up. What if the results don't come? They're not going to come if you quit. Keep showing up. I'm tired. Keep showing up. I don't feel like it. Keep showing up. I can't see any results. Keep showing up. I don't know where to start. Just start. Do something. Take that first step.
Welcome to my stream guys. So on this particular video I'm going to be very quick with my explanation. It's about 10:59 p.m. at night and I'm still up shooting for you guys. Alright, so that's the hustle, that's the strive over here. We don't rest until we get it done for the day. I promise to put out this trade setup for you guys out there so that I can be able to see how I was able to catch these pips about it's about 47 pips today. And also I sent it to the free Telegram channel for my community members to also partake in the trade signal and also make profits. And over here we don't get it alone, also send it out for the community members to also make profits from the trades. That's where I got the trade out today around 10:31 a.m. in the morning. So I said sell Gbpusd and SL was at 1.26922, about 22 pips. Alright, now TP1 was 1.26530, TP2 1.26351, and TP3 1.26113. And of course I also told them, disclaimer, trading is risky, only risk 1 to 3% of your account, and past results don't guarantee future performance. So as well we should apply proper risk management. Alright, so here is the trade setup. I saw this trade setup. It's a simple market structure. My strategy is not complex, it is very easy to understand. I explain it and I break it down for my mentees and they come back telling me that it's actually working out for them perfectly. Alright, so I saw this setup in the morning and I was like, alright, I was waiting for something to occur in the market. You know, of course you have to wait for the markets to first, then before you react. Alright, so right here I'll be explaining with them pictures because the market already has moved from the point of our profits today. So I'll be explaining from the pictures and the snapshots that I took from the trading green graphics. Right, so this one is trade setup. Then before that, let me show you the market overview from the higher time frame. Let me show the market overview from the higher time frame. So putting it on 4 hours, you can see clearly that here, this is just a simple market structure. You can see clearly that here, market was really in an uptrend, right? The market was bullish from this point all the way up, was bullish. Then here we have a sub trend inside this trend here. We have a sub trend here inside this B trend. We have a sub trend. This 4 hour, I use it as my bigger picture time frame where I visualize what the market is doing or what the market is looking like. So from there I know how to pinpoint my entries in the market get out, no wasting of time, take your profits while the market makes available for you, and you leave the market immediately. Alright, so here we have a trend line running through this point here. Of which has been broken at this point here. Of which has been broken from this point here. Alright, now when this happened, this was the news that happened earlier this week. After this bullish trend here, the market fell all the way to the downside. If you watch clearly, you see that this is Fibonacci retracement level that the market obeyed at this point. This was Fibonacci retracement level that the market obeyed at this point right here. So if you don't know what Fibonacci retracement is, you kindly go to my YouTube channel, check the videos right there, and be sure to subscribe. Alright, I made a video about Fibonacci and I've explained in depth about Fibonacci levels. So if you've not seen that video, I recommend that you go now and watch the video right now. Then you come back to this particular video too, so that you can be able to follow what I'm explaining. So here, I can see that this is a higher high here. So here we can see that this is a high here, alright, and the market created a low at this point right here. Alright, so now this movement to this upside was to go and test the 618 level. Price couldn't get to the 786 level, but to go and test the 618 level. Alright, now price had a bearish movement. To the downside, getting to our zero level here. And of course, remember I told you guys that if the price reverses from 0.618 level, that your take profit level should be at zero level. That's every tendency that price is going to reverse from zero level, of which I explained in the video I already made about Fibonacci levels here on YouTube as uploaded. So do me a favor and also do yourself a favor to look at that video so I can understand what I'm explaining about this. Right. So here at this point, this was where the market retraced from the 618 level, came down to the zero level. Now came down to the zero level. And if you watch closely from here, this is a long bullish trend, right? Market was moving an uptrend, but then broke this trend at this level here. This is simple market structure. Now the market broke this level at this point here, of which people that are waiting, the buyers that are waiting at this level, of course you have to wait to see if the market is going to react at this particular level here. Let me take this up. Of course, you have to wait to see if the market is going to react at this particular level here. Alright, for those that are, for the buyers that want to, for people that want to take a buy from this point, so you have to wait to see what the market is going to do at this point to be able to confirm that the buy is going to hold. But then when that happened, I already knew that that buy wasn't going to hold at that point. Although it actually gave a little bit of bullish movement at this point here, but I'm not able to cash this kind of bullish movement at this point. But this break of trend line here, this break of the trend line is already telling that the sellers are in the market already. So when this happened, market retested and started coming towards the downside again. Now after this break of this trend line here, I expected the market to come down to this very point here. So where our next focus should be on these levels right here, on these levels right here, this one too, right there, then this one too, right here. This is the last take profit point. Alright, so that's why I expected the market to come test after this break at this particular level here. I had to wait, of course the market is all about patience. I had to wait for the market to give me a signal for me to know what next to do. Of course, you have to trade the trend, alright? You don't have to go against the trend, but this trade the trend is very, very important as a trader. Alright. So now this market gave me this signal here. I started selling. I was like, alright. I was waiting for a perfect option to enter the market. So that made me I did not take any more trades because there was no that made me I did not take any more trades last week after this bearish movement here. Alright, so now I had to wait for the market to give me a clear direction because at this point here there was no clear direction for the market to go. Now if you watch here again, if actually there wasn't any break of trend line here, this level here would have held for a buy. This level here would have held for a buy. But then because of this break of trend line here, I already know that this buy wasn't going to happen. So how to, this is all about you trying to be smart with the market. Alright, you have to think like these market makers themselves. You have to think outside the box, and you have to be very quick with your decisions. Right. Now, at this point here, you can see the reaction at this point here. Because price reacted at this level, and it was supposed to replicate that at this level. But because of the fact that we already had a breakout from the trend line here, right, I already know that the price is not going to react as a bullish movement on this level right here. So when the price came down to that level, I was expecting the market to give me a sign for me to know what to do. So from there, I can know how to make my decisions about which move I'm going to make to be able to profit off the market. So the next candle closed beneath that particular support. That was my first confirmation. The next candle I printed was a bullish candle to trap all. This bullish candle here was at least to look at maybe stop losses of people that are already in the market with this candle closure at this point here. So I was waiting for the third bearish candle closure for me to confirm that alright, it's a perfect sell for me. So this next candle on the 15-minute time frame closed with a very good momentum. If you watch it, there was no wicks in the candle, just a little wick on the downside, and it closed right beneath that particular support. So this candle here gave me confirmation to enter my trade. So I had a sell stop beneath that candle. That if this low is being broken, I'm expecting to have a sell to the downside. Right. Then coming down to 1 hour time frame. Coming down to 1 hour time frame. If you watch closely, too, you can see that we have a very big drop here of this. If you watch closely, you can see that we have a very big drop here in this bearish candle, and it closed right below this particular support here, this kind of support here. So it was also a confirmation for me to be able to get into this trade. So how did I know that the market was going to come down to this level here? This is another block from the daily time frame. If you watch another block from the daily time frame, you can see the value of trading at this point here. That's another block from the daily time frame. So now I gave out the signal in there. I told my community members that they should sell at that point there. They should sell at that point there. Here's where I gave out the signal to the community members. So if you're not in this community, if you're not in our Telegram channel, guys, there's a link in the description box. Alright, check the link in the description box. It's gonna lead you directly to our Telegram channel where you can join and become a member of this great community. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like this content that I'm playing now. So this is the trade signal in the Telegram channel where I gave it out to the Telegram channel, and I told guys that, and I told my community members that they should buy that, and I told my community members that they should sell Gbpusd. That's what was 2 tips, and our RR, our risk to reward was about 1:2, 1:3 risk to reward, right? So now this was the movement that I'll call immediately when I gave out the signal. My motive was just to get in quickly and get out immediately my profits in the market. So when I gave out the signal, I told them that they should sell Gbpusd. Here is what happened next after that. You can see this long drop here on the 1 hour time frame. This particular candlestick here had a bearish momentum. Right? This particular candlestick here had a bearish momentum. Then at this level, we had a news coming up on Gbpusd this morning. I was about 4 high impact news, 2 were medium impact, and 3 were high impact. So I saw the reaction at this psychological level. Now there are stuff I teach about psychological level to my mentees in the membership section. So if you want to be a part of us and then about all these things, I'm going to be making a YouTube video about psychological levels to teach how these levels work, and it's going to help you to be able to pick entries on the market and also make profits. This is just psychological levels. Of course, you can make profits. It's just psychological levels. It's all about if you understand very well how to identify these psychological levels, how to draw them on your charts, and how to know price reaction on those psychological levels. So that is what is going to tell you whether you're going to sell, or you're going to buy, or going to hold on to your trades in the market. Alright, so at this particular drop here, the market reaction at this level here wasn't really giving me that confidence enough. it wasn't really giving me that vibe enough to be able to hold this trade for long, and I had fundamentals coming up, and of course I did not want to trade these fundamentals this morning. So what I told my community members to do was to break even their trade. I told them to break even their trade first so that they can be able to secure their capital, because we already hit TP1. That's it, TP1 hit 20 pips. So I told them to break even their trade so that even if market should go against us, our capital is going to be secure. Going back on the charts, now our other trade in the market. This is the red candle here. This is the red bearish candle here that came down to the psychological level about 25 pips. So I saw the reaction here. If you go down to 15 minutes, I was having a lot of trading at this point right here. Going out to 5-minute time frame. I was having a lot of trading at this point right here, and that did not actually give me that vibe enough to be able to hold on to the trade. So I quickly gave out a call to the Telegram community that they should take all their profits, because I had this coming up and I was expecting that the market was going to manipulate. But I told them that they should take all their profits, right? And the market wasn't reacting well at the current market price. I quickly booked my profits right here, about $632. Alright, that's about 540,000 Naira today made on my live account. Alright, you can see my profit right here. You can see that it's a live account. Alright, I made about $652. That's about 540,000 Nigerian Naira. Right. This is 11:31 p.m. at night, and I'm still up making videos for you guys. That's the stress we go through to be able to put out these videos out there so that you guys can learn a thing or two from the videos. This was how we are able to secure this particular profits today in the market. I made about 540,000 Naira trading live on my account. Alright, so that will be it for that.
So guys, that will be all for this very interesting video on how I was able to make 540,000 Naira by just trading Gbpusd in the forex market. And thank you for staying up to the end of this video. If you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, please kindly do me a favor right now. Click the subscribe button, like this video, and share to your friends and family. And don't forget to put your notifications on so you don't miss an interesting upload. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.